Hey guys, the South Geek here. I want to introduce this series. This is my new gaming rig. These are almost all the components. I will be reusing my PSU and hard drives, so you will see them later. This is all the components that I will put inside of this rig. Uh, so The following videos will be about the unboxing of each one of these components, uh, and first impressions. And the next one will be, I think, installing it inside of the CoolerMaster. Yep. I have one more video that is about cleaning a VGA card. I have a Nvidia 460 EVGA and has temperature problems, so I will be uh, explaining that in that video. So enough of this. Stay tuned. See you.